Hello. मैं हूँ रूपाली and you're watching The Exploring Eyes, जहाँ Orko and I share our travel stories बिल्कुल raw and real. If you don't already know, we went for our annual trip to NYC and a few Latin countries, and this is episode 4 from that series. आज के इस episode में we will take you around the evergreen, colorful Colombian city of Cartagena. So let's go. थ्री एपिक डेज न्यूयॉर्क में बिताने के बाद अब हमारी बारी थी नॉर्थ अमेरिका छोड़ के साउथ अमेरिका जाने का. इस ट्रिप के लिए नॉर्थ अमेरिका में हम बस न्यूयॉर्क करने वाले थे. रेस्ट ऑफ द ट्रिप इज़ गोइंग टू बी फ्रॉम साउथ अमेरिका. सो इट वॉज टाइम फॉर अस टू फ्लाई फ्रॉम न्यूयॉर्क टू कोलंबिया. एंड कोलंबिया में हमने चुना था कार्टेगेना. सो वी टुक अ फ्लाइट फ्रॉम JFK एंड वी रीच्ड कार्टेगेना, कोलंबिया.
Hello and welcome to Cartagena, Colombia. So we reached here yesterday afternoon, but उसके बाद बहुत tired हो गए थे. Body was almost giving up. तो हमारा walking tour था कल शाम को, which we postponed to today morning. So we'll do today morning, but unfortunately we have one full day and today's day only in Cartagena. So we'll see as much as we can and show you as much as we can. And it's now 8 AM in the morning. हम लोग 10 बजे तक वापस आएंगे and we'll start our walking tour at 10. Now the plan is we will go to this old town or Getsemani just to show the place around by ourselves, and from 10 we will start the walking tour. It's really hot. सुबह के 8 बज रहे हैं, but आप देख रहे हो कितना strong धूप है. But tourists are out.
Cartagena, Colombia is a stunning coastal city on the Caribbean Sea, known for its vibrant history, colonial architecture, and lively culture. It has several distinct neighborhoods, each with its own character and charm. The walled city, Getsemani, Boca Grande, Manga, La Boquilla, and Rosario Islands are few of the most prominent ones. For our time in Cartagena, we are going to explore both the walled city and Getsemani neighborhoods. Now both are covered in the walking tour that we were going to take, but we set off early morning to take a walk around Getsemani on foot on our own at our pace.
So we are heading towards the most colorful neighborhood of Cartagena, Getsemani, and we'll see that the opposite side is Clock Tower. I think that's the entrance of the old Cartagena city, but we'll first go to Getsemani and come back here with our walking tour. Like I said, Cartagena is very famous for its colorful neighborhoods, and right now we are just entering this colorful area, and you see the colorful flags behind me. So we are now heading towards the center of Getsemani. So हमने थोड़ा बहुत एक दो narrow lane से pass किया. You can see the colorful houses on both sides, the lights, and also the colorful neighborhood.
Once a rough around the edges area, Getsemani is now Cartagena's hipster hub, full of street art, music, and local culture. Famous for its graffiti-covered walls, lively squares, and cool cafes and bars. Less polished than the walled city, but authentic and vibrant with a mix of backpackers, artists, and locals.
So we are just roaming around Getsemani. तो अभी हम लोग वो I love Getsemani sign की तरफ जा रहे हैं. But behind me you can see the wall. Like you have seen in Jaipur, Jodhpur, or some of the old Rajasthan cities in India, there is a wall which within that wall the old city remains, and outside the wall the newer structure starts building up. So Getsemani and the old city concept of Cartagena is also similar. So you see this old town of Getsemani, the colorful neighborhood, and the main history lies within this walled city. And outside the walled city, behind my back, you can see those new tall high-rise buildings of Cartagena, which are famously known as the Boca Grande neighborhood. So that's another part that's closer to the airport, the high-rises. But this part where we are in is the old part of Cartagena. फाइनली हम वहाँ पहुँचे। पीछे आप देख पा रहे हो आई लव गेट्समनी साइन, यहाँ बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे मॉडल्स है। हमारा खुद का टूर गेट्समनी पे खत्म हो चुका है, तो हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत लेंस पे वॉक किया। इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल वाइब्रेंट नेबरहुड, कलर्स बहुत डिफरेंट कलर्स है, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे ओल्ड मॉडल्स है, तो आप देख सकते हो। एंड वी जस्ट वॉक अराउंड जस्ट टू अवॉइड द क्राउड विच वी विल सी पॉसिबली वंस वी कम विद द वॉकिंग टूर। तो क्राउड अवॉइड करने के लिए हमने सुबह सुबह घूम लिया है, बट सुबह के टाइम 8:30 बजे भी बहुत धूप है, बहुत धूप है। बट इफ यू कैन मैनेज इट, यू कैन अवॉइड द क्राउड एंड यू शुड walk around this neighborhoods of Getsemani.
So as Orko mentioned, गेट्सेमानी घूम कर हम अभी स्क्वायर जो मेन स्क्वायर है उसके पास एक पार्क है, वहाँ पे आकर बैठ गए हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली धूप कम है। सो इसीलिए वी आर सिटिंग इन दिस पार्क। 10 o'clock से हमारा टूर है, वॉकिंग टूर। सो वो है 10 बजे से, और अभी बजा है कितना बजा है और को 9:30 सो 9:45 में उठकर हम चले जाएंगे अपने वॉकिंग टूर के स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे। टाइम टू गो टू आवर सिटी वॉक टूर। लेट्स गो टू द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट।
When we finish in that area, we go into Gethsemane or Gethsemane, which is considered the most important neighborhood. So during the tour, I'm going to explain you what were the reason about both. But at the same time, we just commemorate the first one, and I'm going to let you know, okay? But Gethsemane is going to be a little different. It's going to be more about who are the people that were born here, about graffitis, murals, beautiful streets, nice decoration, music, everything like that. So right now, Cartagena is humid and hotter than before. So recommendation here is drink water, use sunblock, take a shower 2 or 3 times during the day.
So we are now getting inside the walled city. That's the old city. Yeah.
So this is going to be the first square. But before to give you the information, I'm going to invite you to look around. And look at this beautiful and amazing architecture. A la orden. Okay. So our architecture. Well, during the colonial time, everything around were residential. Families, local families were living here. Wealthy families. One of the ways that the people represent how wealthy was each family was the number of the floors. Okay, for example, we have that yellow building. As you can see, there are like a 6 floors. Well, that one they consider during the colonial time that was a richest family around here. Okay, today everything is changing. There is just a few % of Cartageneros living here, and the reason is because Cartagena is expensive. Cartagena is considered one of the most expensive cities in Colombia, and one of these houses could be a little more than $1 million US. Cartagena flat. What happened with that beautiful flat? It's called La Cuadrilonga. La Cuadrilonga because it's a square. Okay? La Cuadrilonga was the first flat in Colombia and was a Colombian flag for more than 40 years. Then they switched for the yellow, blue, and red. When we got that Cartagena flag, when we celebrate the first independence against Spain, and that one was November 11, 1811. November 11, 1811. So that means that the last November 11 we were in celebration and was amazing. 1 week is the time that we spend for our independence party, Monday to Monday. Most of the time is the second week of November, okay? But we used to start the celebration 2 months ago, 2 months before.
Our tour guide took us around the walled city and gave us many more insights about the history of Cartagena. It was hot, but still walking around the historic parts of the colonial Cartagena was very interesting. इसके बाद she took us to Gethsemane and वही सब एरिया घूमा हमने जहाँ पे हम मॉर्निंग पे वॉक करके गए थे, but obviously this time with a lot more history of the area, mainly about the murals and the artists and all of that. By the time the walking tour got over, it was lunch time, so हमने lunch किया and then we went back to our B&B because it was very hot and first half enjoy करने के बाद we needed some rest. With much needed rest, शाम को we were back to Gethsemane because हमें देखना था Gethsemane का evening life.
Okay, so we are finally back to the main square of Gethsemane. After noon, around 12:30, we wrapped up and went back to the room, and then we slept for a couple of hours. Again, starting the evening, this is the church we have seen in the morning, and we are just trying to see the evening life. We have early morning flight, so we can't see a night life, but we'll see the evening light. तो अभी देखेंगे कि क्या होता है यहाँ पे. So our tour guide of the walking tour was saying evening this place completely transforms in terms of music, in terms of food. So we'll show you around and let's see how the evening looks like in Cartagena. इक्वेडर में हम लोग एम्पानाडास खाए थे काफ़ी गलापागोस पे, तो दैट्स वन काइंड ऑफ फ्राइड फूड. यहाँ पे कोलंबिया पे जब से हम आए हैं बहुत लोगों को सुना है कि arepas इज़ समथिंग दैट वी शुड ट्राई. इट्स बेसिकली मुझे जितना लग रहा है अभी देख के पीछे मेरे बनाते हुए, इट्स बेसिकली शॉर्मा का जो रोटी होता है उसको ही दे आर डूइंग दैट ग्रिल and then they cut, and stuffing is basically what you choose. It can be chicken, meat, cheese, it can be of your choice, but the stuffing you choose. But that's what it looks like. So we are finally closing on Cartagena. So the second place in our trip after New York. We had a couple of days in Cartagena, but yesterday was a little hectic for us, so we could not go out. But आज सुबह से काफ़ी घूमे. The heat was really very much. But in that we did a lovely walking tour. शाम को अभी फिर से वापस आए हैं in Old Town or the Gethsemane area. So we love the culture. There's a lot of street performance happening in the evening. The whole city comes to a different kind of life in the evening, so we were just experiencing that. But now we have to go back because we have a very early morning flight tomorrow to Cusco, so see what Peru has for us. As of now, we literally spent one full day, I will say, exploring in Cartagena. Obviously we need more, so if possible we'll come back again and we'll see if we can come here or some other parts of Colombia. So thank you for watching Cartagena with us. As of now, bye bye from Cartagena.